That's your 2011 Ram 4500 truck. 214,000 kilometers on it. So this is a full crew cab, SLT trim, 8x12 deck. This deck has some space in the center. I'll just show you. I just figured out that there is some space here in the headache rack where you can put, it's like this big, you can slide in. There's a plywood here right now. The truck in it is in excellent condition. Inside, outside, it's not dented or not scratched up truck. That's your hitch on the back. Spare tire on the side. We have one tool box underneath the deck. So that's your flat deck truck. I'll open the door right now and I'll show you how does the truck look from inside. Clean truck for a 2011 4500 work truck. It's in pretty good shape. Only on the steering wheel there's a little bit of wear here where you have the stitches. That thing is out. Roof is a little dirty. I'll see if I can get it cleaned up. That's your AM FM CD player, satellite radio, exhaust brake, 4x4, work lights. Let me fire up all the work lights as well. Right now it says service DEF system, engine will not start in 26 kilometers. So this is what we're gonna do. We'll do a EGR delete on the truck, DEF delete. That's your work lights. Two up front here, LED lights. Two on the back, one on this side, one on the other side, buggy whip. Overall, the truck is in excellent shape. I'll show you the tires as well. I got lots of rubber, but I'm pretty sure you would like to put some nice aggressive tires. Back tires as well. Got lots of rubber here. Spare tire is brand new. I hope you like the truck. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you so much for your time.